Adding Okiano Marketing Plugin to WooCommerce. Log into your WordPress WooCommerce store's admin backend. Click on the Plugins tab on the left. Select Add New. In the search box, type Okiano Marketing to find the Okiano Marketing plugin. Add the Okiano Marketing plugin, uploading the zip file. Install now and activate the plugin. Next, you will need to complete the sign up to Okiano services and authorize access to your product catalog. Please follow the link in the notification box or the dashboard in the Okiano Marketing plugin to complete your onboarding. When you arrive at the plugin integration page, please click on the Get Started button and you will be redirected to the Okiano sign up page. Sign in with your WooCommerce or WordPress's credentials to proceed and authorize Okiano's connection to your store. As the final step, approve the connection. You will now land on your store details page, where you need to fill in information about your store, your products, and your competition. Next, select your preferred payment plan. We offer two flexible plans. The Ad Spend Pro calculates the commission based on your advertising spend on Google Ads, whilst the Revenue Advantage plan collects fees as a percentage on the generated sales for your store. Now please connect an existing Google Ads account to Okiano. If you don't have an account, you can click on Create an Account, where Okiano will take you through the creation process. Click on Allow. Next, set the monthly budget that you wish to spend on Google Ads. The higher the budget, the more visitors that will come to your store, and the higher the number of sales over the course of the month. On the payments detail page, you'll be informed how much commission you'll be expected to pay Okiano, depending on the payment plan that you've selected. Click on Proceed to Payment to add your payment details. You have now completed the onboarding process. For improved reporting, please connect your Google Analytics account to Okiano by clicking on Link Google Analytics. Otherwise, you are finished.